Hi YouTube, this is my first video and this is going to be an HTML and CSS video tutorial. So first you want to open your tag, exclamation point, and then you have to do doc type in all caps, and then you put HTML. It tells the computer that what type of language it is. It's going to be HTML. So then you open your HTML tag and you close it. You close it with another tag that's exactly the same except for this / in the beginning. And then first you have to make your head and close your head. Same for body. So it's saying HTML is like the skeleton and CSS is like the skin of it. Title tag, you know, at the top, like with Google, it says Google at the top, like this tab. If this was in a browser or something, this right here would be the title. So I'm just going to do tutorial. And then here you can put the style. This is where we can code our CSS. And here it's easy to code our CSS. In the body you can open a tag. Let's do paragraph. Paragraph is P right here, see? This is paragraph. Then we can either do an ID, which you can just do ID like that, in quotation marks, but I'm going to do class. And then for ID, usually it's like ID, you do the name or whatchamajig, like that, or class, and then whatever. But right here, I'm going to do class is equal to para, because that's easy, para. And then you have to open your curly braces and close your curly braces right here. And then here is like the CSS. You can do color is like blue or something, and then you can do background color, which could be red. I'm just saying. It can be font size, which is like how big it is. I'm going to do it in pixels, 18 pixels, and then I can do font family. This is going to be the font for your new, and then that can be it. And then body, all you have to do for body is like body like that. It's going to do this body here, and it can do background color red, and you can take that out. And then text align, it's like where all the text or image or canvas is. I put it center, so it'd be like around here. It would be like at the top, like right there, here, around here. That'd be the center. And let's put something in for this. Let's say be careful to put it in between the tags. If it doesn't, it's just going to write it normally, no CSS or anything. And then you can do something else, like another header 1, maybe. Header 1 is like a header, you know, like the really big ones, the really big headers. I would say it's about this big or so. This big. Header 1, I can do class as para. And this is for class. That's why for class it can be different tags, and then it can have the same thing. just doing that. And it's going to be the same font. It's going to be the same size and the same color. And it can do anything. Okay, right here. Let's save this and open it. And just save this in here. Yeah, I'm just gonna save it right here. I'm going to put video .html. You have to do .html or .htm. There's anything like that. Let's see where it is. No, it's not here. I have to find my video folder. I know it's somewhere in here. Oh well, I'll just put it right here. Save it. Okay, now you can run it in Chrome. And here, and now it does hello YouTube, header 1. See, it's bold and it's big. If it was normal header 1 and it's just like anything, it changes a lot. Now it's like, this is normal header 1. It's like that big or so. That's how big it is. And look, when I move this, look, see, this is the center I told you about. That's text align for the body. This is like the whole body right here. This top here is head. It's almost invisible. The title, you can see it. It says tutorial. And the title, tutorial. See? There's also image. I wanted to include this because it's a self-closing tag. If it self-closes, it's one tag, and it has its / in its starting tag. So I'm going to put an ID because there's only one thing, and put it to the ID of YouTube picture, like that. And then you have to do an src, and that is, and you put the link on the URL of the picture inside the quotes. So I'm going to search on Google Images. And here, I'm going to search YouTube. And just take a random one like this one or like that. Copy image URL right there, and then you can paste it. If it's long like that, I would probably save it, but I'm not gonna do that. It takes up too much time. So right then, you can put your ID. Remember, it's pound sign or number sign. You can do, and then do YouTube picture for the ID. Oops, right here. See, YouTube picture. It's the same thing. Then open it, close it, go, and then you can do the width and the height. If you're not sure of what it is, you can do that, like that, and then you can change it later. I'm going to put mine to 250 pixels. You have to put pixels, and then the same, so it's a square. And then you can do border. Border is a cool thing. I like it. You can do solid or dashed or anything like that. I'm going to put solid, and then you have to do the width of it, like 1 pixel, 2 pixels, or anything like that. As many pixels as you want. I'm going to put 1 pixel, and then you have to do the color. I'm going to put blue. And then here, look, you can do this. This is really cool. I like this a lot. This is like an opening and closing tag by itself. Self-close, except it's different from image. This makes just like it skip a line. So if it's here, like this is the thing, or I'll just show you here. See how it does, and then it skips this whole line right here, skips it, and then here. You can even see the border. This width is exactly 150 pixels. The height is exactly 150 pixels. And then you can add in whatever you want. You can add in, let's say, another header or anything like that. You can add in JavaScript, which is going to be in my next tutorial. You can use that using the script tag like this, but I'm going to explain it later. This is going to be awesome. This is only one of the things that you can do, and there are many things that you can do. It alerts. You can do, whoa, what just happened? Oh no. Okay. You can alert anything, and it only has an X. There's no cancel, but in confirm they have cancel. But right here, I'm going to put 90, and you can put a number in. You can put your name in. Oops. Anything. And then you can just save it and run it. It alerts it. See, no cancel, and you can exit or press OK. But it's different because in here, confirm does have one, but I'm going to explain all this later. And the next one, just leave you off like this, make you curious, so then you could go to my next tutorial and this thing. Okay, well, bye. I hope you subscribe and you watch all of my other videos. Press the like button, and then I'd be so happy. Then I'll make like the best videos ever. I promise that. Okay, well, bye for now. I'm just gonna X this out.